In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Marking an invoice as paid is important because it updates your reports, customer balances, and cash flow at a glance. When you record a payment properly, you avoid duplicate entries and ensure your books stay accurate. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the dashboard. This is your home base. It gives you a quick overview of receivables, recent activity, and the health of your accounts. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, then look to the left-hand sidebar for your navigation. From the left menu, click Sales. This takes you into all things revenue estimates, invoices, and payments. Inside the sales area, select Invoices. You'll land on a list of all invoices, complete with columns for customer, date, amount, and status. If you have a long list, use the search bar or the status filter to narrow it down. For example, you can filter to see sent, overdue, or all invoices so you can quickly find the one you need. Choose the invoice you want to mark as paid. You can sort by date or amount, or type part of the customer's name or invoice number into the search field. Taking a moment to check the status column helps too. If it shows sent or overdue, you'll know it's still awaiting payment. Click the invoice to open it. With the invoice open, take a second to review the details, the customer name, the total due, and any taxes or discounts. When you're ready, look along the top bar of the invoice page and click Record Payment. This brings up a payment window where you'll confirm the payment information. Keep your payment confirmation handy so what you enter reflects reality. If the customer paid the full amount, you'll confirm that total. If it was a partial payment, you'll record just the amount received. Entering an accurate date and reference helps with reconciliation later. Once you're done, proceed to complete the recording, and Zoho Books will update the invoice status to paid. You'll also see the customer's outstanding balance adjust automatically. That's all there is to it. Dashboard, sales, invoices, open the invoice, then record payment. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Double-check the customer and amount before you proceed, and keep your payment method and reference notes consistent so your bank reconciliation is smoother. If you make a mistake, you can edit or remove the recorded payment and try again. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping in Zoho Books.